Ooh, your boy gotta get used to this. I woke up at 7 o'clock. I gotta be to the new job at 8 in the morning. So right now we just got some regular stuff on so they give us an outfit. I went and got some pants yesterday. So yeah, man, I'm excited. Your boy actually have not worked since my incident, like in 2019. So this about to be a different change of pace because we gotta work until October 17th. Then we go to school 5 days a week. It's a big change. So yeah, man, we about to get the day started. So my neighbor's got to get used to this one. I gotta start this car up every day at like 7:40. I think I'm gonna have to like start it up and like put it in gear, to be honest. Hold on. Actually wasn't that bad. If it can start off like that every morning, we're good. We just pulled up at the dealership, man. I'm about to go in here and clock in, man. I'm gonna get back and tell y'all how it was the first day when I get back. So your boy out. Alright, y'all, man. We officially did our first day at work. Well, my first day of the journey, man. It actually went pretty smooth. I did 6 hours. 6 hours. I had 2 more hours left, but since they didn't have me in the system, I actually only had to do 6 hours. So that was pretty cool. I got to meet a lot of people, and overall the experience was pretty dope. The people was nice, and yeah, man, I think I like it so far. I knew I was gonna like it from the beginning though, so I got 2 months of working with these guys and getting used to the shop and getting some experience. It's a lot. I seen like all the colors of the C8s today. I even seen them shark metallic gray C8. I have never seen it on the street, but that thing looked really nice. So I'll be getting pictures and stuff. I'll try and get pictures and stuff next time, but I just noticed like I was getting a feel for it. I could be able to get my GoPro in there and walk around with my GoPro, or days when I start working on cars, I could like record it if I have my GoPro headset. Like, you know, so I gotta hurry up and close the garage. I gotta take off. The car too loud. Oh man, your boy is a working man right now, man. This is day 2. I'm working at the dealership, man. I'm gonna try and get some inside clips for y'all, but I don't know yet. But so I'm gonna tell y'all all about the experience and what happened yesterday. So my first day working, first day working was pretty nice. So I met a lot of people up at the dealership. Everybody at the dealership seemed pretty cool, and I actually became like I'm inside the GM database. So that's pretty cool. So with that being said, I like when I get my own laptop, I legit can get inside the GM's like database. Oh my, y'all hear that though? Like, listen here, man. I'm also real excited because I went to sleep just so I could wake up and drive this car, because look, listen here. I got to do another video of Cute and Chaotic too, man, because dude, my car is night and day. So my friend that I've been talking about in my video, I dropped this week. Probably gonna drop it on Wednesday, which is tomorrow, because I was supposed to drop it like last week on Friday. But I'm gonna be honest with y'all, I didn't want to drop the video because I wasn't sure how to work the AFR gauge. But I can add on to that video now. I figured out the problem, so I'm gonna drop the AFR gauge video. Well, I dropped it already by the time you see this video, but yeah, so man, we about to let me talk to you about what happened. So I walked in there, I diagnosed 2 cars, so they was testing me. So the first time dude was like, we went to go to the alignment station. He was just showing me like problem stuff with the cars. And he told me, he was like, he was like, dang, I need a socket with a 15 millimeter, you know what I'm saying, adapter. So he was like, you go get that for me. And I was like, sure. He's like, never mind, now I get it, because you probably won't know where it's at over to get it. I went straight to the tool who got it. He was like, oh, look at that, you found it, right? So like, and then so he was like, another car came in and he told me to put it up on the lift. He showed me the mounting points and I jacked it up, put it on the lift in the shop. So he was like, the customer said that the car was having rattling noises at idle and when you take off. So when I got it up in the air, we looked at everything. I looked at it, I found a scrape in the back of the exhaust, and I noticed that the exhaust was pushed up because I looked at the exhaust from the scrape, and so it was a lady driving it. Shout out to y'all ladies, all y'all not, you know what I'm saying, y'all just don't be caring, but she ran over something, and it hit the exhaust, and it banged it, and it made it push up to the front. So when I seen where in the exhaust hanger, it pushed out, and it was touching the cross member. So he told me good eye about that one. So I had to get a crowbar, push it back, and we put retainers on it to keep it from sliding. So that was my 2 diagnoses. And I was with the lube team yesterday, so I was helping them just rotate tires. I didn't really do too much because I was just observing. You know, I was trying to get in their flow and see like what would probably make them. Basically, I'm gonna be the help for 2 months. You go around just helping out people, making everybody's job smoother, and you know, getting the feel of the shop. So for the 2 months, I'm gonna be doing that. So today, I might be doing a little bit more. He told me, like, I actually get my laptop today. So that's actually gonna be very good. But once I do installations and I fix my car, or like I'm gonna do something this winter, and like, you know what I'm saying, you know what I'm saying, that laptop gonna help me do it. It got all the torque specs, and they got an instruction manual on how to repair everything inside the engine, everything on the car, how to take apart everything, how to take apart the car inside the computer. And I can do that for any GM vehicle, so that's pretty dope. I'm in the GM database, so that means I can get I should be able to get the GM discount stuff. I gotta ask about that, but yeah, man, I gotta go back in there. Overall, it was a pretty dope experience the first day. Second day should be even better since I get to do more stuff. So yeah, it wasn't intimidating or nothing, man. Everybody just had a cool vibe. All right, man, so I'm about to take y'all on a journey with me of a day of work. Not a full day, but I'm gonna show y'all a little bit of what I do. So it's currently 7:32 in the morning. I'm supposed to be on the road at 7:30, but it's only 10 minutes away. So yeah, let's get on the way. So you got a little bit of Kevin Gates, and you got a little bit of a sausage and cheese croissant in the morning, and then we got a 10-minute drive to work. Simple. Alright, now we here. Just to save some time, I got my shoes and my deodorant in the trunk, and I'll drive with the slides on. These what I wear on break. And I gotta go through that door over there. That's the service door. I gotta go to the left. And I'm not gonna record myself coming in here because I'm gonna just try and place the camera at the bait I'm gonna be working at, so y'all can see what I do. So this is just the first week, so they got me working with the lube techs. I think I said that in my other video. So we about to do like tire rotations and all that kind of stuff. They trying to get me like cool with some of the dudes and stuff and all that. And like the further I work, the more they gonna be moving me around the shop. So yeah, I'm about to take this off because this isn't appropriate for work, you know. And then I'm about to go put my shoes on. We about to go in. So yeah. Alright, yeah, so that was pretty much the whole process of what we do most time. Like I just got done, we just did a balance tire and I had a mounted tire. So I can't show everything, but yeah, man. So this is like one of the cleaner cars. It's usually like be really dirty. Not gonna lie to y'all. So we gotta get in the car. I'm pulling in the car at the moment, so. I didn't remember what the paper said we had to do, but yeah, I was just showing y'all a quickie of what we do. Turn this music down. I don't want to have it up like that because I don't want them to see me recording. I'm about to come up to the service door. You got Dan taking his smoke break. Going through the service door. And yeah, we in the shop now. I hate turning in here. You gotta like turn left and then you gotta hold on. Probably gotta pop the hood wherever the hood latch is. I don't know where it's at in this car. Jesus, where is the hood latch? Oh, it's on the side. Then we gotta find. Dang, whoa, this thing get 423 miles? What the hell? Oh my God, 0. Jesus. All the tires good. Boom. Yeah, so basically, that's it. I think this camera about to die. But we on lunch now. That's pretty much all I got to show y'all for today. So, until we start learning some more stuff. So right now, what y'all see me doing, on the exception of other things like air filters and other stuff like that, fixing tires, that's pretty much what I'll be doing right now on a daily basis until I'm probably gonna be doing it until I go to school. Sometimes they might have me work with a different tech and learn some different stuff, but mainly that's what I'm gonna be doing until I go to school and learn more stuff. So yeah, man, I hope y'all enjoyed that, man. So that's it. I'm about to eat my food, man, and I just let y'all see what my daily, basically a whole week process of me getting up and going to work. Well, it's basically work, but it's for school. It's technically work, but it's dealership experience. So yeah, in October we'll be starting the schools part. So I'll be recording the whole process of that. I'll probably teach you guys things that I learn every day at school, and I'll come tell you guys what I learned, and so you guys can learn more with me. So you could be ahead on this journey if you want to go down this path. So yeah, I might just start my own playlist about this so y'all can follow up on this part. That's what y'all want to follow up on. But other than that, we should be getting some more car stuff posted by this week. I actually got a video I did this weekend with Blueprint, and then I was just testing out the new tune and everything, because I haven't really showed anything about that since I talked about it. The AFR gauge should have been up to this week on Monday. So yeah, man, enough talking. I'll get with y'all in this video. Peace.